nagpapakulay ako ng buhok. Ito, be, oh. Be! Ito. Yan. Yung guys will stay permanently. Huwag dyan. Yan, tama na. Is it purple? Dito sa gilid. Is it purple, guys? Is it purple? Gilid. Ah! Let me just put it in my hair na lang.
Dito na sa buhok.
I'm literally regretting my decision.
Saka dito. Tsaka.
No! Not in my this.
Okay na. Tama ko.
Let them show it. Show them.
Wait.
Show them.
Look at this, guys.
So guys. And of course, they will stay permanent. I'm gonna regret my decision. So bye guys.